If you're an agency owner who wants to get more booked appointments using TikTok advertising, well, I spent $2,013 on TikTok ads testing booked appointments for my agency so that you didn't have to. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. We're going to go over the results. I'm going to show you my personal opinion on this, what kind of landing page you should be using, you know, the kind of ads, the verbiage. I'm going to show you everything inside of what I'm doing right now. I know a lot of you guys follow me and you're probably like, wait, you only spent $2,000. You spend so much more, Wojo. Well, here's the thing. I only tested it out for like $200 a day for about maybe a week and a half. So we're just going to go through the results here. I'm going to be starting these ads back up probably in the next couple of days. I kind of just want to do this review video with you, everybody, so you can see cost per click, you can see cost per booked call, and how it's actually very efficient, because with this $2,000, I was able to book 29 booked calls, which is actually a lot for an agency. So 29 booked calls, that means that, you know, if you're running an agency, you should be charging at least $2,000 a month for, you know, some of your higher ticket services, to the point where like you got to close 1 out of these 29 people, or you should be closing 3 to 5 out of these 29 people. Closing 3 to 5, you should be at a 3 to 4 ROAS of this amount. So it actually is very, very profitable, but it's got to be done the right way. My cost per click though is so low, and you're thinking, well, you must be getting a lot of shit leads. Well, we have gotten a lot of shit leads. So the lead quality has not been that great from TikTok. I am also running YouTube as well, but I don't have enough data yet to show you guys for that. So I'll be showing you as well. But I kind of want to hop into this campaign here. So let's get right into the ad group level. So I was running 2 ad groups. One I was spending $125 a day, and then the other one I was spending about $100 a day, so about $225 a day. This one spent $1,200. This one spent $800, and look at the difference in the cost per click here. Okay, I'm almost paying 4 times more there, but my cost per booked call was actually a lot higher over here. So this means that they're just more high quality people. Okay. That's just what I've been able to take from this campaign. I had over 3,600 clicks, which is a lot of data that I can obviously push to Facebook too, because all these people are coming through the TikTok pixel, but also my Facebook pixel picking it up. So now my retargeting audiences are even bigger. So now I'm omnipresent. I'm all over the place. I can target you on Facebook if you leave TikTok. I can hit you on YouTube if you leave Facebook and TikTok as well through Google Tag Manager. If you hear that scurrying in the background, that was my dog. So yeah. So this first audience here that got, you know, more booked calls, we're going to hop right into this and show you the exact targeting that I'm doing. Okay, website. I got my pixel, automatic placement, user comment. Okay, we're doing location is US. We're also doing gender all. Okay, and then I'm doing 18-24. I'm not doing 13 to 17. I do not think you should be doing that. I just kept it very broad to start, all languages. And then here's some of my interests: marketing and advertising, social media ads, Google ads, advertising in TikTok, social ads, effective advertising, all these advertising based PR keywords, even email, start your business, branding, like clothing, accessories, e-commerce, people who might have Shopify stores for clothing, online courses, maybe people running a webinar, we can run ads for them. And then we also did this: people who watch videos with the following hashtags: marketing tips, marketing agency, Facebook ads, marketing strategy, Shopify tips, Shopify dropshipping, marketing TikTok. We picked those as well. Targeting expansion, we did age and interests, and then daily budget was $100. Day parting all day. Okay. Now I'm gonna hop into this ad group, and this was the one that had a higher cost per booked call. Okay. So this one we did same age group, but we just did less interests, like less interests of the one that we just had, and then we also did the same hashtags. We enabled target expansion, and I kind of want to get into the ads for each of these because there actually might be a difference in the messaging. Okay, so this ad, well, this ad group, these ads we're going to, let me see here. This one was getting $7 a booked call. Oh my God. I did not see that. Okay, so we're going to go to that ad, actually. That one got 8 conversions. That's nuts. So I want to see the landing page. I do have 2 landing pages, and I kind of want to go over this with you so you kind of have more context and understand where I'm coming from. Lessen some of these tabs. A lot of tabs on there. Okay. Start running profitable ads. Okay. Profitable ads guaranteed, 100% done for you. Okay, this is the page that I'm sending them to. And then the tracking's already on the pixel. Okay. And this is my longer form landing page. Okay. There's actually a second landing page that I was running traffic to. This landing page has very little friction. Doesn't really require you to watch any videos or anything like that. You can just go right through the landing page. You can just click a book your call button. This is the one that I run on Facebook and IG. But this one's getting very good cost per booked call. So there's that, but I'm running a second landing page, okay? And here is where the stuff really like starts to come together here, because I want you to understand this angle that I'm taking. So this one is the one that's $120 a booked call, okay? Go to ads. This one, we're gonna find the one that has the cheapest cost per booked call. Okay, we'll say this one, okay? These are all case study based videos, and they're only talking about Shopify, okay? So local businesses or lead gen based businesses wouldn't be clicking on this ad. I'm just simply showing Shopify stores how we spent X amount of money to generate X amount of money, the ROAS. That's it.
Over the last 7 days, we spent $79.0898 to generate $167,971 in sales in the last 7 days. That is a 21.2 ROAS.
And that's all I'm running. Now, here's the difference though. The URL that they go to, now it's Shopify stores that we're targeting because of obviously the angle and the creative. But here's the thing though. We're running it to a different landing page where we require them to watch a video. Then step 2, book your call. So they're watching this video and I'm just qualifying them harder.
What is going on today, guys? Welcome to this video.
And like they can't skip in the video, they have to watch it and then they can book. So at $120 a booked call, twice the cost, I'm qualifying these people better because they're going to obviously not just read this, but they're going to want to watch the video before they actually make a decision. It's kind of like that, qualification process. That's just a lot more simpler. So I hope this brought a lot of perspective to you. You've seen the ad groups, you've seen the landing pages, you've seen the targeting. So I hope this really gives you a lot of perspective. If you're an SMMA owner, maybe a coach or consultant looking to run ads on TikTok and the 2 different kind of landing pages that you could run. But I appreciate you guys stopping in. Please like, comment, subscribe. And I hope this data helped you. I'm probably gonna have a video coming out soon about our YouTube ads that we're running, which we're actually running to this landing page, by the way, this exact one that you're looking at right now. So we're gonna see how the YouTube ones perform. I do have 2 booked appointments ready from YouTube, but I want to get more data rolling, probably spend a couple grand, then report. So thank you guys again, and I'll see you guys in the next video.